As the festive season draws near, I extend my heartfelt wishes for a Merry Christmas to one and all. Today, I had the pleasure of unwrapping a delightful set of Christmas stocking fridge magnets, infusing my surroundings with the spirit of the holidays. This enchanting assortment comprises 12 meticulously crafted pieces, ingeniously arranged to form a captivating stocking pattern in the form of a puzzle. Constructed with precision using die-casting zinc alloy, these magnets boast both durability and a delightful heft. The surface is adorned with a vibrant palette of colors, brought to life through the meticulous application of enamel and epoxy. Glitter is added inside the epoxy resin to give the surface a sparkling look. The resulting visual symphony perfectly captures the festive ambience of Christmas. Displaying these magnets not only imparts a seasonal charm to my space, but also serves as a joyful reminder of the shared magic that unites us all during this wonderful time of the year. Have a nice day.